Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about Buy Back Your Time by Dan Martell, published in 2023. Alex sat at his desk at 11:47 p.m., eyes burning, tabs open everywhere, phone buzzing, calendar overflowing. He had achieved everything he once dreamed of, a growing business, clients waiting for him, money coming in, yet he felt like a prisoner inside the very life he created. His son's drawing lay on the table. "Dad, come play." Alex hadn't even noticed him handing it over that morning. As he closed his laptop with exhaustion and guilt, Alex whispered, "Why does success feel like this?" That night he stumbled upon a quote. "You don't hire people to grow your business. You hire people to buy back your time." It was from Dan Martell, entrepreneur, investor, and author of Buy Back Your Time, a book that would completely rewrite how Alex approached life, work, and freedom. Dan Martell opens the book with a truth many never question. Most people build a business that becomes their personal jail. Not because they lack skill, but because they insist on doing everything themselves, even tasks that drain their energy and limit growth. He calls this the time assassin trap, when your business steals your time, creativity, and joy. Alex immediately recognized himself here. But Martell offers a radical alternative. The Buyback Principle: don't hire to grow your business, hire to get back your time. This principle became Alex's turning point. Secret -1: the buyback loop. Dan introduces a powerful loop. 1. Audit. Identify tasks that drain you. 2. Transfer, delegate, automate, or eliminate. 3. Use the freed time to grow what matters. Alex began by performing the time and energy audit, marking tasks that brought joy and those that drained him. The results shocked him. 60% of his day was filled with low-value work. These were $10 to $30 per hour tasks while he was a $500 per hour founder. Dan's message is clear. If a task doesn't light you up or grow your income, it must be delegated. Secret 2: the replacement ladder. Martell introduces the replacement ladder, moving from low-value tasks to high-impact ones. Level 1: admin tasks. Level 2: delivery tasks. Level 3: sales tasks. Level 4: marketing tasks. Level 5: leadership tasks. Level 6: vision and strategy. Alex was stuck at level 1 and 2. Martell taught him that the only way to rise is to replace yourself layer by layer. Alex hired a virtual assistant for 10 hours per week, something he avoided for months. Within days, his schedule looked breathable again. Secret 3: the pain line. Most entrepreneurs, Dan says, only hire when they hit the pain line. Burnout, chaos, overwhelm. Alex had crossed that line long ago. Martell challenges readers to hire before hitting that line, to grow consciously rather than reactively. Secret 4: the buyback rule, the 10/20/30 rule. Dan gives a simple formula for hiring. If someone can do a task 80% as well as you, delegate it. If the task is worth less than your hourly value, outsource it. If the task drains your creativity, eliminate it. Alex began tracking his founder hourly value. He realized doing his own email, scheduling, editing, and logistics was costing him thousands every week. Secret 5: the camcorder method. Most people don't delegate because explaining takes too long. Dan's solution? Record yourself doing the task, hand the video to your assistant, let them document the process. Alex used this for customer onboarding and content editing. Within a week, 70% of the task load melted away. Secret 6: the millionaires focus, $1,000 per hour activities. Martell teaches that once time is freed, it must be filled intentionally, not with busy work, but with growth activities, building assets, growing the business, deep creative work, strengthening relationships, health, and learning. Alex used his reclaimed hours to create a new product, something he had postponed for 2 years. It became his biggest revenue generator. Secret -7: buy back your life. Martell emphasizes that the book is not just about productivity, it's about becoming fully alive. Alex used to miss family dinners, workouts, vacations. Now, with time bought back, he read more. He played with his son. He walked every night. He felt human again. Dan calls this Building your perfect week, the life you want, intentionally designed. Alex had created space to become the person he always wanted to be. Months later, Alex's life looked completely different. His business was growing without squeezing him. His calendar finally felt like his own. His son now ran toward him every evening shouting, "Dad, play time." And whenever someone asked how he transformed so quickly, Alex smiled and said, "I stopped trying to do everything and started buying back my time." Dan Martell's philosophy had unlocked not just productivity, but freedom, joy, and a life built by design, not by accident. Thank you for listening. See you in next Audiobook Daily.